Hey everyone, Sarah here, back with another plan with me. And so in this video, I'm announcing the winner of the giveaway for the Trillia subscription. So it's just this month's, the video I just did, which was, where'd it go? Where'd it go? It's all over here. It's mixed up in my other papers, which is basically all of this. So I posted that video earlier last week and or this week or whatever. Anyway, so the winner is Albie Knows. Yay! So I will be messaging you to get your mailing address. And by the way, I checked out her channel. She does have a channel. You should go check it out. Maybe I'll link it below or something like that. And I just kind of quickly, I'm always curious now when someone wins, I check out, see if they have a channel or not. And she does, and she has some cute videos on there, and especially ones for productivity. If you work from home like I do, then it might be a good idea to go check those out because she had some good tips. Anyway, so you're the winner, congratulations! And let's get into this week. It's Valentine's week. Let's do it. We're gonna use our kit today. That's how we're gonna do. Just so you know, some of the sheets in here are mistake sheets. So if anything goes wrong with them, just know that. Although I think that the only thing wrong was just I cut off the top of this one, which is not a huge mistake, and I probably would let that go out to someone, but because like, I mean, it's not that bad. There's nothing wrong with the actual cut, it's just the sticker or the logo and information. Anyway, let's get into it. So this is the Valentine's kit for this year. Of course, I have the kit from last year as well. And so either of those were available, but let's just get into it. Now the colors work fairly well. If you didn't want to do the washi, you could just do it without in this case because the pink works well, but I will because I really wanted to get the blue in there. So let's get into it, As you can tell, I just chugged some coffee before I started filming, so now I'm gonna sing everything. So annoying, yeah. But yeah, so I have gone ahead and the merge listings thing has been going on for a few weeks now, and I keep struggling to find any time to get it done. And so what I did was, oh, I just lost that sticker. What I did was I got in contact with another designer in my area who I'm not going to get into how I know her, but I know her. At least I know her a little bit. She's a junior designer. But anyway, so I'm going to get her to help me do all the thumbnails because that's been holding me back. So hopefully they will be up before the Great Canadian Planner Sale, which by the way, I'm in. Yay! So anyway, I'm not even going to put these ends on. I was going to, but then I have to cut them a little bit. But the reason why I'm mentioning that as well is that hopefully that will help kind of push some things along if I can just move some of the kind of more boring production work along to her to do. It would make my life a lot easier, especially because the last week I've been having a lot of pain issues in my hands again and in my shoulders just from being on a computer too much. So I need to kind of get away from the computer, but at the same time I can't because I want to get new stuff done for the shop. But anyway, more talking after washi. Washi is down, and so we can do our full boxes. I'm gonna put the Valentine one on Valentine's Day. And then I'll keep these pretty, oh my god. Of course, people just start messaging me on Messenger as soon as I start filming. Just, you know, I don't get any messages for hours, but as soon as I start filming, it's gonna go blow up on my wrist. Oh, jeez. That's okay. It is my husband, so I can't really get mad when I haven't talked to him all day yet, because he's probably just waking up right now because he's 3 hours behind me and I wake up early and he sleeps in. So that's how our relationship works. Is that that's just how it works, you know? And I'll put this one down here. And here. So it's all just, they're not exactly even, but whatever. You know what? There's people who like to perfectly place things, and that's amazing because your planners always look great. And then, oh my god. And then there are times where you just need to plan and have it look kind of pretty, but like be done quickly, you know? So that's kind of more what this one is. I'm trying to keep up with a lot of, getting a lot of videos up on YouTube with both channels, and also do Etsy stuff. And then I did have some contract work come down my way again, so I'm trying to find my whiteout stuff. Okay, so I can put that down. So yeah, I'm just trying to get speedier at doing things in general, because I find that I kind of dawdle around stuff. I'll make a big to-do list and then I end up not getting everything done and I get frustrated. But in reality, a lot of the times, if there's something I'm not really looking forward to or something, I'll just kind of dawdle about before I do it and procrastinate. And in reality, if I just tackled it head on and just didn't mess around, no fuss, no muss, just did it, it would probably get done a lot faster and just be finished, and I could actually feel productive and, you know, all that jazz. So yes, this is a little uneven, but, well, it's not always perfect. And then, so the headers are the purple, to bring the purple back in, which is really cute. So, of course, my next week one is for the one in the notes section. And then it's all to-dos for the other parts of the week. I know putting to-do there is kind of pointless. People have different choices in what they do for headers, but I like it because I like it for the sake of the design and the color choices, to be able to block that out with a darker color. And then also I take one of the checklists away, because my thing is I need to edit how much I think I can get done into more realistic things to get done. In terms of my planning and my daily work planner, I pretty much only set out 3 things a day for the most part, but I do add little things that are gonna take 10 or 15 minutes as well. It's just that sometimes I overload those too much. So I think I may need to do a dump list of things to do, and then just when I have time and feel like accomplishing something, just go to one of those and go ahead and get it done. So now for half boxes, I'm gonna put the I love you on Thursday, because that's the day that I have my plan with me. And then what else do I have going on? I don't think I really have anything else planned, but let me just think on it. While I'm thinking on it, I'll put down the weekend banner to cover up this whole mess. Okay, and I think that's probably it for like special things that to get done. I don't need to get my nails filled yet. And other than like work preparing stuff for things, so I think, to be honest, I can just go straight into pen. Okay, so I will also put down another half box on Valentine's Day and put video chat. With Josh, who is currently just nonstop messaging me. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's funny. Always right when I'm filming. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, make sure I get a video in with him for Valentine's Day. He just asked me what flowers I wanted, or if he should just choose, and I was like, don't send flowers. I said send iTunes gift cards because there's this new game. So I don't think it's a new game, but I'm obsessed with it. And it's called Love Nikki. And if you have not heard of it and you like cute anime things, or if you like dress up games of any kind, or like if you ever played Gaia Online when you were younger, then you should probably check it out. But it's really addicting. Basically you like complete quests to get articles of clothing and stuff, and I'm just gonna show you it, but it's super, it's just super cute if you're into that kind of thing, and it gets addicting. And there's like, they have events every like week or so where you can earn like specific like suits or whatever, and so sometimes it costs money to do that. You can also play it for free too. Like, it's just that you won't get these like fancier suits and stuff. So like this isn't a suit, but this is my like what I have on my character right now. So these are from different suits or whatever. But like you can put on different articles of clothing or whatever, and then and just like it's just so it's so good. It's so good. Let's see, where was I? So those are suits that there's like all kinds of different. I'm about to get like a bunch of people addicted to this game, aren't I? So that, yeah, it's just, it's so cool. Most of these suits are like ones that are event ones, so these are like special. Let me find one. I don't think that one's special. I mean, it's cute, but like it's not like a, and there's like more average clothes too. Anyway, but some of the stuff, like you have to like just, you have to just actually buy diamonds to buy it, or you can just like slowly play and earn diamonds and stuff. Anyway, it's like the cutest thing ever. I love it so much. I love it so much. And in case you're wondering, they do have multiple skin tones. It's just that they don't have a lot of options because I think that's fairly new. And it's kind of weird how they do it because you have to actually like put on the skin tone. And if you put on a makeup look, then like it has to be like, you know what I mean? They only make a couple like a couple of makeup looks that will suit each skin tone, which is unfortunate, but hopefully they start working on that more, kind of thing. but it's super cute. You should definitely go check it out. Like, these two kind of work together. But yeah, anyway, so sorry if I just got you addicted to this madness, but I love it. And I don't really play any games on my phone, but I knew that I really love dressing up characters in Gaia Online, so I figured when I saw a Facebook ad for that, I figured I'd check it out, and now I'm just like fully addicted. So I asked for iTunes gift cards so I can buy in one of the next events if for whatever one I like the suit for. But anyway, let's get back to the plan with me. And of course we've got our deco stickers, and I'm kind of keeping things simple, like to-do wise, because I don't really know work wise what I'm getting up to next week. But I just thought I would keep it fairly simple instead of putting a bunch of to-dos on there that are not necessarily going to happen. So let's see, let's actually put the big like hot air balloon one up here, and then put this Foxy here, and let's just see, I'm just gonna put a couple of these around. I'm gonna put the Valentine one on top of Valentine's Day. Valentine Wednesday! Whoa! Okay, let's just see what we got going on. I think I can hide the notes one with that. And then the flowers and stuff can kind of be random. The flowers and the hearts and all that cuteness can just be randomly placed, which I love. That you can also, I try to always throw small ones in like that, because then you can also use them other times of the year. It doesn't just have to be for whatever that week theme is. And then hopefully people kind of like having all the options. Where do we need one? Let's try over here. I feel like there's one kind of needed over here somewhere. I'll put it right there. And I think I'm just gonna keep it simple like that this week. Just because I don't have a lot going on, and I don't want to get it all messy and things like that. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hopefully this was fairly short, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you liked it, and comment down below if you have comments, questions, anything like that. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook group if you are interested in more of like what the shop is doing and like kit launches and things like that, because that's kind of where I post for the most part, although I'm starting to do YouTube videos as well. But, and you'll also stay tuned because there will be a new releases video coming out in the next day or so that's showing some of these new releases that we have been working on. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!